What if I told you that a simple mathematical principle could turn $10,000 into over $250,000? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not magic. It's the power of something called the 8-4-3 rule. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a time-tested strategy that uses the math of compound interest to help you build wealth faster than you think. Imagine your money not just growing, but snowballing, doubling, and then doubling again over time. That's the power of the 8-4-3 rule. In this video, we'll break it down step by step, how it works, why it works, and most importantly, how you can start applying it today to achieve your biggest financial goals. Stick around, because this could change the way you think about money forever. The 8-4-3 rule is a straightforward framework that unlocks the exponential power of your money. It works in 3 phases: 8 years of steady growth, 4 years of acceleration, and 3 years of explosive wealth building. But why does it matter? Because understanding this principle could mean the difference between retiring comfortably or working decades longer than you need to. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or an education fund, the 8-4-3 rule shows you how time and consistency transform small investments into life-changing sums. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to apply the rule to your financial goals, no matter your starting point. And stick around, because I'll share practical tips for getting started, even if you think you don't have enough to invest. This isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a future where your money works for you, not the other way around. So, let's dive in and see how this rule can set you on the path to financial freedom. The 8-4-3 rule is a simple framework for understanding how your money can grow exponentially over time. It breaks down your investment journey into 3 phases: 8 years of steady growth, 4 years of acceleration, and 3 years of explosive returns. The first phase, the 8 years, is all about building a strong foundation. Picture this: it's like planting a tree. During the early years, you don't see much above ground, but the roots are spreading and strengthening. Similarly, your investments may grow slowly at first, but they're setting the stage for dramatic future growth. Next, we enter the 4-year phase. This is where your money starts to gain serious momentum. It's like that tree you planted. It's grown a strong trunk and now begins to shoot upward, visibly thriving. Finally, we hit the 3-year phase, and this is where the magic happens. Your investment begins to grow exponentially, far outpacing the earlier phases. It's like the tree suddenly blooming with fruit, producing more than you ever imagined. This is the power of compound interest in its full glory. The beauty of the 8-4-3 rule lies in its simplicity. It's not about timing the market or taking unnecessary risks. It's about being patient, staying consistent, and letting time do the heavy lifting. And the longer you stick to this rule, the more powerful it becomes. Now that we've broken down the phases, let's talk about what makes this possible: the incredible engine of compound interest. Serious about investing? Then you need the right tools. TradingView gives you advanced charts, price alerts, and real-time data, all in one place. Whether you're tracking ETFs, stocks, or crypto, stay ahead of the game. Check the link in the description. Compound interest is often called the 8th wonder of the world, and once you see it in action, you'll understand why. It's the driving force behind the 8-4-3 rule, turning small, consistent investments into exponential growth over time. So how does it work? In simple terms, compound interest means you earn interest not just on your original investment, but also on the interest it has already generated. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small and slow-moving, but as it picks up snow, it grows larger and gains momentum. Over time, it becomes an unstoppable force. Here's an example. Let's say you invest $10,000 with an annual return of 8%. In the first year, you'll earn $800, bringing your total to $10,800. In the second year, you're earning interest not just on your original $10,000, but on the $10,800. That's $864 in year 2. And by year 3, you're earning on $11,664. Over time, this compounding effect creates incredible growth. Now let's tie this back to the 8-4-3 rule. During the first 8 years, your $10,000 might grow to about $20,000. Not bad, but this is just the foundation. Over the next 4 years, that $20,000 doubles to $40,000. And in the final 3 years, that $40,000 can explode to $80,000 or more. The growth in those last 3 years alone is often greater than in the first 8 years combined. Why does this happen? It's all thanks to time. The longer you leave your money invested, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Think of it like a rocket. The initial liftoff is slow, but once it gains altitude, the speed becomes incredible. The key takeaway here is that time is your best friend when it comes to building wealth. The earlier you start and the longer you let your money grow, the more dramatic your results will be. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to take advantage of this. Even small, consistent contributions over time can create life-changing wealth. Now that you understand the math behind compound interest, let's explore how you can apply the 8-4-3 rule to your own financial goals. Let's start with retirement. Imagine you begin investing in your 20s or 30s, contributing just $700 a month to an account earning 8% annually. Over the first 8 years, you'll see steady progress, growing your savings to around $80,000. Then, in the next 4 years, that amount could double to $160,000. By the final 3 years, you might be looking at a balance exceeding $250,000. And this is just one example. The earlier you start, the more dramatic the results. Those first 8 years might seem slow, but they're setting the foundation for exponential growth later on. It's like planting seeds early so you can enjoy a full harvest when you're ready to retire. The 8-4-3 rule also works well for short to medium-term goals like buying a home. Let's say you commit to investing $500 a month. In 4 years, you could potentially grow your portfolio to over $30,000. That's a solid down payment for many homes. The key here is consistency. By sticking to the plan, you're ensuring that your dream home is within reach. The beauty of the 8-4-3 rule is that you don't have to micromanage your investments. By setting up automated contributions, you remove the guesswork and ensure you're consistently adding to your portfolio. Automation also helps you avoid the temptation to skip a month or spend the money elsewhere. It's important to note that the 8-4-3 rule isn't about perfection. It's about persistence. Start with what you can afford, even if it's just a small amount, and increase your contributions as your income grows. The key is to stay consistent and give your investments the time they need to flourish. Now that you know how to apply this rule to your goals, let's explore the mindset you need to stay the course and maximize your results. Want to invest globally without losing money on currency conversion? Wise gives you the real exchange rate with low fees, so more of your money goes into investments. Sign up today. Link in the description. One of the biggest challenges in investing is overcoming the urge for immediate results. In the first 8 years of the 8-4-3 rule, it might feel like your money isn't growing fast enough. This is normal. Remember, the early phase is about laying the groundwork, just like planting seeds or building a strong foundation for a house. The most successful investors understand that wealth is built over decades, not days. Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest people, often says, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." The longer you stick to your plan, the more powerful the results will be. It's also important to prepare for setbacks. Markets can be unpredictable. There will be periods when your investments lose value temporarily, but history shows that markets recover and continue to grow over time. The key is to stay the course and avoid making emotional decisions, like pulling out your money during a downturn. Another common mental block is the idea that you need a lot of money to start investing. This couldn't be further from the truth. Even small, consistent contributions can lead to big results over time. For example, $100 a month invested over 20 years can grow into tens of thousands of dollars thanks to compound interest. The trick is to automate your contributions. Set up recurring transfers into your investment account so you don't have to think about it. Automation helps you build wealth without relying on willpower or constant reminders. Staying motivated for the long haul can be tough, which is why it's important to celebrate small wins. Did you hit your first $10,000? Your first $50,000? Take a moment to acknowledge your progress. These milestones serve as reminders that your plan is working and keep you focused on the bigger picture. Finally, remember that building wealth is about securing your future. It's not just about having a bigger bank account. It's about the freedom to live life on your own terms. Whether it's retiring early, traveling the world, or providing for your family, the 8-4-3 rule helps you achieve those dreams by playing the long game. Now that you understand the 8-4-3 rule, it's time to take action. Start small if you need to, even $50 or $100, and commit to consistency. Remember, patience and time are your biggest allies in building wealth. If you want to know exactly which financial instruments to use to implement the 8-4-3 rule, check out my video about the 3 ETF strategy. Or, if you're looking for more aggressive growth, watch my video about stocks that could 10x in the next decade. Hit subscribe for more straightforward strategies to grow your money, and click on the video on your screen to dive deeper into these wealth-building topics. Let's make your financial goals a reality.